So basically I'm gonna go to semantic manager, and then so this is the semantic manager. This is for the pre-treatment, and so GP11 is the pump. A spray pump. This is the DB112. It's the okay. This is for the triggering of output. This is the emergency stop. This is automatic drive on. I'll go into this a little bit later. DB122, and then this is automatic drive on. So this is a special bit, a spray ring zone, and this is DB503. So this FC146 is their standard block. It's for switching analog input value switch for inputs. FC555, it's the bypass mode with two set points and load contactor isolation. This is a frequency converter Lenzi 32940 9400. This is a standard block of Daimler. I'll go into this a little bit. Okay, so first, so this is the spray pump, and DB112.dbx114.6. So if I go to DB112, so DB112 is pulled, which means DEX. So if there's a signal from fuck 1 second. Oh yeah, so if there's a signal from DEX1, DB112.dbx114.6, if it's on, then it has to be on, then receive, then this is another one, then planned fault PPT1, shut off 1. So if all the faults are shut off and status message fault is off, fault limit A is off, group message is off, limit A is off, measurement violated lower limit of range off, measurement violated upper limit of range off, and if the status message fault is off, then trigger output. So that's network 1. Network 2 is emergency stop. So always signal 1 is a special bit. So if somebody presses emergency stop, it my bad. If it is 1, if it is true, then I don't get this one, man. And then automatic drive on. It's a spray ring zone on M301.3. DB543. And then it's a flip-flop switch drive on off. This is the OR logic M301.3. If it is off, limit E is off, enable of triggering of output is off, group fault messages on. Then you reset that shit. and then release frequency inverter. Always signal 1, always signal 1, always signal 1. Set point 1, always signal 1, always signal 0, signal 0, signal 0. Selection 0, selection 1. It's fucked up. Minimum speed for controller 10 Hz. Switching set points. This is the function block. This is FC555 FG drive bypass mode. Function 4. Emergency stop. It's fucked up. And then LENZ 32. Function 0. BP12 pressure spray pump. If the fault is off, enable input. Enable minimum, alarm minimum, warning with 1. Drive rotating, 20. Delay release fault. Fuck. On delay timer. It's fucked up. FC17. Supplementary parameters enable inputs. DB101, it's off. Fuck. So this is for the level process tank, and this is the supplementary parameters enable inputs. Planned fault, PPT1, shut off 1. So it comes from the DB101, and then DB503, the M2.1, always signal 1. Enable minimum, alarm minimum, warning with 1. Always signal 1. And then FC124, I don't fucking get that. GP21. It's a circulation pump heating. Status message enable as DB112. It's M301.4 spray ring zone. Minimum speed for controller 10 Hz. Fucking hell, man. What the fuck? BB222 pressure spray pump. Enable minimum alarm with warning number 1. That's messed up, bro. So it is what it is.